How to fix mouse cursor moving on its own in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, try adjusting your mouse position. Click on the search box and type in main.cpl and search for it. Launch it, head over to the option pointer options. Now here you're going to find this slider. Set it to the medium. Then uncheck for this option, hide pointer while typing. Click apply and OK. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is launch your device manager, search for device manager. Now here you're going to find this option, mice and other pointing devices. Expand that. Under that you're going to find mouse option. Double click on it and select the option uninstall device. Wait for a few minutes and then again install it. With these you'll be good to go. If that does not help, press Alt plus F4 key on your keyboard. Select restart and hit enter. A fresh restart can resolve temporary glitches. That's it. If your mouse is still acting up, consider checking for driver updates or trying a different mouse. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.